guys, so I am my first day back on the farm with my brother T. Say hello, T.
Hello.
Hey, he's been hard at work here. I'm going to show you now what he's been hard at work producing, building, because it's, as I said to you guys when I was in Joburg, it's going to be pretty huge for us. Anyway, it's going to be pretty huge for us, what we're going to be getting into this year, the quantity, the mass. But yeah, I'll give you a bit of an update now, guys, on what we on the state of everything that's kind of now, it's basically spring. So yeah, I'll show you all, give you a rundown of everything that's going on. And yeah, let's get started. Yeah, so we planted a bit of spinach outside here. It's not the biggest patch, is
Well, with the amount,
it?
we can fill this section.
Mm.
We're gonna have a decent amount.
Okay.
Yeah,
I know. I'll show you the ceiling now, guys, because we have a lot still imaginable. But I mean, this is the thing, guys, like on top of all of that, the net house is still full. So as I said, we've really almost tripled. Is that just a crazy piece of lettuce to grow in?
yeah, boy.
Oh my days. This is a lettuce that I planted last season, guys. Just hanging on. And this is the coriander.
Yeah, so they've made
Gone to seed.
Yeah, been collecting them, so we need
It's a
to.
nice windbreak though.
It's true, it is. And we've basically just been collecting the seeds.
Okay guys, so this is the new and improved net, where we have still got the spinach up the sides. As you can see, it's looking a lot more full, where it was looking very sketchy before.
Yeah.
And so yeah, we'll talk about what's going on here too.
So on this front patch, it's about 20 meters by 15. We have habaneros, yellow and red.
So basically, guys, we had a lot of trouble with the seeds, with the habaneros. All of last season, we really had a problem with them, and we are debating now whether the bag could be the problem, because as you know, last season we put everything in bags, and in the season before that we put the habaneros in the ground, and we had good habaneros. So now we've just decided the best thing for us to do is to put them in the ground, let them do, you know, what they naturally want to do, spread as wide as they need to spread. Yeah. And hopefully we'll get some decent habanero plants this year.
They've wilted.
Oh.
You see. I mean, these have actually grown pretty quickly.
So these are the jalapenos, yeah?
Yeah,
The newer of the seedlings. And the jalapenos did really well in the bags, so we're kind of keeping on with that method.
yeah.
And yeah, they're flowering already. And these are how old are these?
So these ones, the date of them, I think. Yeah.
So guys, yeah, we've got and in this section, so these are the newer ones that were planted in April, right too?
Yeah.
And these are the older ones that's about 6 months now, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
These bigger ones. And then these ones are about what, 4 or 5 months?
These ones I would say 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. You see they're a bit bigger.
Yeah.
But this whole section is basically going to be jalapeno.
Yeah. From this side. Three lines of serranos, then 3 lines of paprikas.
So guys, this is the serranos. As you know, last season they grew very well for us. They did really, really well in the bags. So as you can see, they're huge, absolutely huge plants now. How old are they, T, now? Are these the old ones?
These ones.
Yeah.
These are the ones the same age as.
Okay, so the ones that we planted.
The ones that the ones when I was here we transplanted them in June. Yeah, I think we transplanted them in June.
But they are massive.
Yeah, they are big plants,
yeah, so big. And they've basically been in greenhouse for a long time, guys, and this is the effect of a greenhouse plant.
Yeah.
The hugeness. that we're getting out of them. So yeah, and these are the newer ones.
Yeah.
These are newer. So this section from here to here is the going to be serranos, and on this side we have the paprika, the long reds, and the long yellows. And these are the new seedlings, which are looking really good.
Yeah, they are.
They're looking very healthy, huh?
I mean, they look. Funny thing is, when I compare the last season seedlings and these ones, these are a lot more healthier.
They do look it, innit?
They don't look as fried by the sun.
And you know, but I think it's as you said, we're in October, guys. Now, I'm not sure when you guys are going to be watching this, but this is October, and so this is really early spring, and this is probably the earliest we've ever had an entire, planted crop.
Yeah.
Ever. So the plants are really thriving due to the conditions, and hopefully will be strong enough to handle the harsher conditions when it's hot. So hopefully we'll be in a very good situation. But paprika is one of the peppers that we've been very successful with here, even despite the intense heat. Okay, guys. So this section is habaneros, new seedlings. In this section, we've got jalapenos, new seedlings. What's this over here, too?
This spinach, spinach, and 4 spinach and a gooseberry.
Okay.
2 gooseberries.
Oh my, is that old basil bush?
Yeah. It still has a smell to it, so.
That's funny. And over here, guys, we're just planting the tomato seedlings. They were in an emergency situation. We needed to plant them because they were growing out of trays. They're just being transplanted into the small bags.
Long reds on this side.
Yes, wow, they look really good. Wow, them seeds.
This is from.
These are
home seeds. Huh?
Yeah, these are home seeds, guys. But these are seeds that we harvested from fruit that we made our sauces from, and we obviously just reused them. But look at how beautiful and healthy these seedlings really are.
Pretty good, bro. We've got jalapenos, sweet peppers, basil, some more peppers, some thyme, I think is over there.
Okay. Yeah, okay, there's thyme. There's actually a lot more thyme.
Yeah, they did quite well.
And this is the basil, no?
Yeah. The basil, and all of this is peppers, bro. Peppers.
Which pepper? Sweet pepper?
No, this is jalapenos.
Okay, more jalapenos.
This is jalapenos. These ones are kind of empty, are not jalapenos.
Okay.
These are jalapenos, and then we've got habanero.
Habaneros here. We're gonna have a lot of habaneros, huh?
Habaneros here.
And then that's some coriander.
And some more basil at the back.
Basil. We're probably gonna use the basil as we're gonna grow basil because we use that for one of our sauces. But mainly we're gonna grow the basil. We're gonna place it as well in the net house. We might replace where the spinach is along the side here. And basil really acts as an aromatic deterrent for insects. And we did notice that they did really well when we planted them at the door of the net houses and tunnels to deter any kind of insects, the ones that especially like to eat the peppers.
As well, long yellows and reds on the other side.
So how many? It's gonna have a lot of paprika, boy.
That's bad paprika. I actually think that it was one of the better germinators and in the period of time that we were growing it.
Guys, so now we're kind of getting onto the area that pretty much started it all, the gooseberries. And I know what you're probably thinking, guys. These gooseberries don't look any different than they did when I left, and it's because you're kind of right, they don't. They've grown so quickly, ferociously, successfully, overwintered themselves, and now they're back. And this is really what's prompted us to go for gooseberries in a big way, because this plant has amazed us really. And to see the size of these plants, and they literally had like 4 months rest period, and they're already back producing. As you can see, there is a lot of fruit. And what they do say about secondary gooseberries, that the fruit gets bigger, the yield gets higher.
Which is what we're expecting.
We're hoping for, isn't it?
When I look at if you think about when we did our first harvest,
Yeah.
for the gooseberries, the main one, it wasn't until December.
Yeah.
So
we're going to be a lot earlier this year.
This harvest is going to be
a lot earlier.
I'm not even sure when. Because some of them are starting to look like they're browning.
They're browning there, they're getting crisp. When you pinch that one, you could hear it crisp.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is the first. So these two, if you remember, guys, these two were the biggest plants where they was harvesting. So this is the first fruit. This is the size of some of the first fruit that we're getting. 3 finger deep. This size was the biggest size we got at the end of the season, but now we're getting at the beginning. So we'll see definitely what these are going to produce for us. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for a rundown of what we are doing this season. So it's very exciting for us to be going so big, doing so much land, doing so many products that we know do well in this area. So yeah, guys, we're praying to God. We know God is with us, and we feel that God has led us down this path and really shown us and taught us what we should be growing, what we should be focusing on, how we can, because we've been praying to make this business successful, and we've been struggling with products. And yeah, we stumbled upon 2 products, chilies as a variety, and then the gooseberries that do pretty well. So yeah, guys, it's a very hopeful season. We feel blessed to even be in this situation, this state. We've never been here before, having so many products on the ground so early. So hopefully we're going into Christmas, which is peak season for vegetables and fruits. Christmas. So yeah, really exciting times. Can't wait to share it with you guys. Yeah, guys, it's going to be very fun, very interesting. And obviously, yeah, our aim will be to start supplying much larger quantities to people, supplying regularly, keeping clientele. We've learned a lot more about overwintering and extending the life of plants. So yeah, guys, it's really exciting. Really happy to share it with you. So yeah, guys, next time I'll show you maybe a little bit of preparation of the areas that we're doing out here. So we're going to be doing some areas out here. Let's just start to water. So we're doing some areas here, filling this whole section up, as you know, full of the chilies, the paprika. So yeah, guys, I'll show you a bit of that next. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.